Are you ready for 2025, or is 2025 ready for you? The world is changing faster than ever. Automation, remote work, digital empires. So, what skills should you focus on to stay ahead of the curve and not get left behind? Today, we're diving into the top high-value, future-proof skills that will make you irreplaceable, whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just someone who doesn't want to become obsolete. 1. AI literacy, not just using ChatGPT. You've probably played with ChatGPT or Midjourney, maybe even asked it to write your emails or create your Tinder bio. But real AI literacy means understanding prompts, workflows, integrations, and use cases. Knowing how to build or customize AI tools puts you in the top 1% of digital creators. 2. Video communication, not just talking head. You don't need to be a YouTuber, but if you can't present ideas through video, you're invisible online. Learn to script, record, and edit engaging content. You can create reels, promos, explainers, tutorials, even faceless videos. Video is the new business card. 3. Digital marketing and storytelling. Ads are boring. Algorithms change. But good storytelling cuts through noise. Master the skill of writing and selling with emotion. Whether it's landing pages, TikTok hooks, or YouTube scripts, storytelling is what moves hearts and wallets. 4. Automation and no-code tools. Why spend 3 hours doing something a bot can do in 30 seconds? Learn tools like Zapier, Make, Notion AI, Tally, Airtable. They turn you into a one-person productivity army. Automate your emails, client onboarding, scheduling, even content. 5. Sales without sleaze. Sales is not about pushing, it's about solving. Develop the ability to build trust, pitch value, and ask the right questions, especially through Zoom calls or DMs. 2025 sales equals conversation plus confidence plus clarity. 6. Financial literacy, especially crypto and digital payments. You don't need to be Warren Buffett, but you should know how to manage, invest, and multiply your money in the digital world. Crypto wallets, Stripe setups, monetizing platforms, that's the new financial toolkit. 7. UX thinking and design logic. Whether you're making an app, a website, or a Google form, people need to understand and enjoy using it. Learn basic UX principles, design flow, and user behavior. Canva is your friend. Figma, even better. 8. Remote team management and digital leadership. Running a remote business. Freelancers across 5 time zones. Learn how to lead with empathy, clarity, and structure. Tools like Notion, Slack, ClickUp are your digital office. Trust, async communication, and clear SOPs equals unstoppable team. 9. Emotional intelligence and resilience. No, it's not soft. It's survival. With change and chaos everywhere, your ability to stay calm, adapt, and connect emotionally is a superpower. Learn mindfulness, self-awareness, how to give feedback, and how to handle failure like a boss. 10. Learning how to learn, meta skill. With new tech popping up weekly, your ability to absorb and apply information quickly is the most underrated skill of all. Be curious, stay humble, and never stop learning. That's your edge in 2025. So, which of these skills are you already working on? Which ones scare you a little? Remember, you don't need to master everything overnight. But start with one skill, dive deep, and let it unlock the next opportunity. The future belongs to the flexible, the curious, and the bold. So don't wait for the world to change, skill up, stand out, and make 2025 your year.